Do you have days when you feel great in the morning but your mood changes completely in the afternoon? You're not the only one. The moon is causing these mood swings, and today we are going to talk more about this. Welcome back to my astrology course for beginners. If you're new here, my name is Beatrice. I'm a professional astrologer and I'm sharing my knowledge about astrology with you. I've also created a cheat sheet that you can download for free with the most important information about the planets and houses in astrology. To download it, please check the link in the description of this video. Last week we talked about the power of the sun, and today we are going to explore the profound meaning of the moon. The moon, with its ever-changing phases, has fascinated humanity for centuries. Often romanticized in poetry and revered in ancient cultures, the moon holds a special place in astrology, influencing our emotions, our deepest needs, our intuition and subconscious mind. The moon moves through each of the 12 zodiac signs approximately every 2.5 days, affecting our moods and behaviors accordingly. I'll talk more about this in a little bit, but let's first explore how the moon's placement in our birth chart can illuminate aspects of our personality and emotional makeup. In astrology, your moon sign reflects your emotional instincts, your subconscious tendencies, and your deepest emotional needs. It reveals how you nurture yourself and others, and the way you react to people or certain events. For example, a person with their moon in fiery Aries may act instinctively and express their emotions impulsively, while someone with their moon in nurturing Cancer craves emotional security and stability. The placement of the moon in the houses of your birth chart is also important. It reveals the specific areas of life where we seek emotional fulfillment and security. For example, a moon in the 4th house may prioritize emotional connections within the family and home environment, while a moon in the 10th house may find emotional fulfillment through professional success and public recognition. Additionally, aspects to the moon from other planets in the birth chart provide further nuance to our emotional landscape. Harmonious aspects, such as trines and sextiles, may indicate ease in expressing and integrating our emotions, while challenging aspects like squares and oppositions may point to internal conflicts and external triggers that challenge our emotional well-being. But the moon isn't just about our individual emotional makeup, it also influences our relationships and connections with others, especially with our mother. Moreover, the moon is also very important in relationship and compatibility horoscopes, representing the feelings of the two persons and if they connect on an emotional level. But this is something that I will talk about in a separate video. Understanding the moon in the birth chart can offer profound insights into our emotional makeup, helping us navigate life's twists and turns with a greater self-awareness and compassion. By honoring and nurturing our lunar needs, we can cultivate a deeper sense of emotional fulfillment and inner harmony in our lives. In astrology, the movement of the moon plays an important role in shaping the ebb and flow of energy in our lives. The moon's journey through the zodiac signs and its interactions with other planets influence our emotions, instincts, and overall mood. Of all the celestial bodies used in astrology, the moon moves the fastest and its influence can change every few hours. That's why the moon's transits are used when writing daily horoscopes. The moon moves swiftly, spending approximately 2 or 3 days in each zodiac sign. As it transitions from one sign to another, it colors the prevailing atmosphere with the qualities associated with that sign. For instance, when the moon moves through Aries, we may feel more impulsive, passionate, and driven to take action. In contrast, when it moves through watery Pisces, we might find ourselves more sensitive, intuitive, and inclined towards introspection. Additionally, the moon forms aspects with other planets during its journey, creating dynamic interplays of energy that can influence our emotional landscape. Harmonious aspects such as trines and sextiles may amplify feelings of ease, flow, and emotional connectivity. Challenging aspects like squares and oppositions can stir up tension, emotional friction, and the need for resolution. Two of the most significant lunar transits are the new moon and the full moon phases. During the new moon, when the moon aligns with the sun, it symbolizes new beginnings, fresh starts, and planting seeds for future growth. The full moon, when the moon opposes the sun, represents a climax, release, and illumination of what has been hidden or buried within our subconscious. Beyond its influence on individual experiences, the moon in transit also reflects broader collective themes and trends in the society. For example, during the full moon, emotions may run high and events may come to a climax on a global scale. Meanwhile, a new moon can signify a time for the society to lay the groundwork for collective aspirations. By paying attention to the moon's transit, we can align with the natural rhythms of life, understand the prevailing energies, and make conscious choices that support our emotional well-being and personal growth. Whether it's harnessing the energy of the new moon to set new intentions or navigating the emotional intensity of a full moon, the moon in transit serves as a valuable guide on our journey of self-discovery and transformation. I will also publish videos about the meaning of the moon phases in the birth chart and in transit, so please make sure not to miss them. Also check the video that I'll post about the meaning of Mercury in astrology. Until the next time, shine bright like the stars.